What's up, everybody, and welcome to a game called Disassembly 3D. I found it. I knew about it on. I saw some videos about it from some other YouTubers. Grace Hill Plays. He played it. I think Spears the Amazing HD also played it, and I liked it a lot. Oh my God! Hold on. Oh Jesus. I liked it, and I was like, you know what? Let's try it. So I've downloaded it, and hold on, just I'll be right back. Okay, well, now that I got my headphones plugged in, you guys can probably hear me a lot better because of my mic. Yeah, this is only 3D. I've already went through one level to try and figure out how everything worked on mobile. I figured it out. You have to buy the item packs, so every time I get a new item pack, I'll definitely make a video on it. But let's take apart the lamp. Why not? We'll just kind of slowly move down the line, and then the more we move down the line, then the more, yeah, you get it. I'll be back once this goddamn loading screen goes. Never mind, because it's already almost done. This fucking loading screen takes forever. This shit's ridiculous. Okay. Oh, motherfucker. You wouldn't be a part. Oh, don't tell me the switch is a... Are you shitting me? Well, this one's gonna be fucking amazing, isn't it? Are those no. What the hell do I start with? Well, I don't have the bomb or anything. Is that wire separate? What the fuck? Oh my God. This one's gonna suck. Oh, glitching through the tape. Okay, table's not part of it. So that can come off. Okay, you gonna fucking come apart for me, buddy? Okay. Is the light bulb apart? Are you serious? Wow. Bullshit. Oh. Whoops. That was an accident. Okay, well, I can't get the damn base off. Oh my God, this one's gonna be total AIDS. Oh, my action won't come off. What the hell? How the fuck do I break it? No, no, no. This is gonna slowly drive me to fucking insanity, isn't it? Oh my fucking God. Alright, well, that's just gonna be a bitch. I don't know how any of this comes on. Like, it won't let me the light... What? The light bulb counted as 2 parts. Alright. Oh my... Let me move my camera. This game is so broken. Oh. Oh. Are you fucking joking me? That's cool, it moves. The hell is holding those on? Nothing. No screws, is there? These tiny little fucking bolts are gonna be the death of me. There's so many. What? Oh my God. Oh, Lord. my god. This camera is fit. Okay, you're gonna get the hell out of my way. I broke the game. Oh, I didn't. Move! Oh my god. What? Why isn't that coming out still? No. Okay, get the fuck out of the light, you bitch. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 No, 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 no. No, no, no. Don't do that. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, come on. Come on. Wow. Come on. Is that still counted as a part because it's not all the way out or something here? Wow. Alright, well, that was bullshit. Oh, fuck. Another one of these stupid rods. Oh, dear God. This is gonna be a pain in the ass cheeks. Fuck's sake. Okay, really? Really? Oh my god. This is gonna be an episode on itself. Come on. Oh, I can't grab it. It's not letting me. It's not letting me flip it. Fucking move! Oh my god. What have I done? Well, I figured out how I'm gonna have to do this. Well, there goes that. Oh. Yeah, come on. There you go. And you... No. You... And you. What? I took them all off, didn't I? Did I not take them off? No. Okay, well now shit's breaking. Oh my god. It's doing a break dance. That is not how wires work, and they are not metal. But okay. Oh, look at that. More little black rods. They're gonna be the death. They're gonna be the death of me. No, no, no. Yeah. Yes. Come to Papa. And you. And off. Off. Mother. Where are you going, dude? Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. No. No? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, yes! I got the standoff! Yes! 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? The wires for sure. What? Okay, that's not gonna move. That's holding those in. Oh my god. That may be... That's ridiculous. Wow. Alright, well, I'll be back with the bomb. And we have the C4. I'm gonna place you right there. Get the detonator. Blow this bitch to... Oh, it's fucking wonderful. Holy hell. There's still 18 parts. Oh my god, there's still 18 parts. Damn. That's when you get your AR, you point it at it, and you just go to 10. Oops. Oops. You know what? How about more C4? That'll get rid of the other 18. Place the C4. Thank you. And now you blow it to shreds. You blow it to bits. Come on. Explode. 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 No. Explode. Explode. Ooh, yes. There's one part. What one part? What? It doesn't matter. We're gonna get to the next item. Alright. We're gonna move on to the speaker, and then the last one we'll do the pocket knife, and then that'll be it for this one. And then tomorrow we'll finish off this pack, and then I'm not sure when you guys will see another episode on Disassembly 3D, because I don't own all the packs yet. Oh, what have I created? I just fucking moved into oblivion. I just moved myself into oblivion. Nope. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Okay, fuck this. We're just gonna do this. It'll make it a lot easier to just do this, because I'm not trying to fucking just... It's hard to move. It's hard to work with the camera angle once you completely and utterly fuck it all up. And I don't really want to work with the camera angle after I've broken it. Alright. Oh, fuck. All these little ass screws. Well, that's one. And 2, 3. 3. Oh, shit. 4. 5. Okay, I'm not gonna count these things. There's so many fucking screws in these goddamn things. It's ridiculous. There's too many fucking screws in every one of these things. Come on. Thank you. Come on. Ass wipe. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my griefer. Oh, it's like trying to escape from my... Come on. Oh, Lord have mercy. No. No, no. No. little. Oh my. Little by little. Okay. This comes out. No, 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 no. That comes off. This comes off. Whoa. Am I just tipping the... Yep. I didn't mean to do that. What? That just comes out. Oh, no, 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 no. Come back, come on. I need you. You little turd. Come here, you fucking turd. Stop running. Oh, okay. Okay, now. Whoa, Nelly. Really? There's nothing else on this damn thing? Ah, yeah, twat box. Okay, that comes off. Okay, well that's not breaking. Those aren't gonna come off. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh my god, I don't want to chase you, you bitch. Oh. Gonna let you do your thing. It just fucking broke the window. I know what that means, and I am not. Nope, fuck that. You're moving from the goddamn window, dude. Move from the window, you twat. You fucking turd box. No. No. Flip that way. Oh my god. The fuck is breaking shit now? Every one of these is separate. Okay. Come off. Jesus. Dude, this game is ridiculous. Like, on mobile, it's retarded. Okay, you can fucking get out of here. And now you come out. Come out. Yeah, come on. Come on, you turd box. Oh, you're a bitch. Oh my god. Turd. I feel like that has more parts on it. My fingers are starting to hurt. Oh no. Oh my god. Is there more to it? That little orange piece. Oh my god. Is that little white piece something? What? Okay. You go have fun over there by yourself, buddy, because I'm not going to chase you. Oh, I got it. Yes. It broke. Nope, nope, nope. It's about to fall out of the window. Yes. Oh no. Oh. Those just disappeared into oblivion. Those are gone. How is there still 12 pieces? There's still 12 pieces on this thing. And all I see is these squares. Or triangles. Things. And these pieces. Okay. That didn't break you, or are you fucking serious right now? In real life, you'd have been in a million pieces right now. Oh my. Fingers are cramping. Got that one. Bitch. There's the wires. Yes, 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 yes. These can't all be separate on this thing, dude. There's no fucking way. Oops. I was right, there's no way. Whew. Thank God. Well, this is where I get confused. Is that something? Oh my God. Are you fucking serious? What? What in the hell? No. No. What? Are you shitting me right now? Give me the bomb, please. Oh, I am about to blow this bitch to oblivion. Oh. Oh. Recess post. Oh. 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 Oh my dude. Okay. Have you guys ever had a time where you're just kind of like, man, I hate this speaker. It was an ass to me and it never fucking worked. Well, I just did. Get you some C4 and blow that bitch to oblivion. So wonderful. But there's still parts left. Really? Really? Did that stay stuck? That stayed stuck. That did not stay stuck. Those are fucking levitating. Well, that was quite relaxing. Alright. So, oh no. My worst enemy. Screws and pins. Fuck you. You're gonna come off, right? What? This seems too easy. Okay. Oh. Hop, skip, and a jump away, huh? Oh. Oh. Yeah. No. Fuck off, bitch. Is that its own? I do that when I clicked on this night, it wasn't gonna be easy. Can I pull that out now? No. I took that off. Oh. Reveal all your gory insides. You're gonna come off. And you're gonna come off. And you're gonna come off. And you get to go bye-bye. Come on. Yeah, bye-bye, honey. And then you get to... Really? You get to come off. You get to come off. Please, thank you. And then you get to come off. You get to come off. And you get to come off. And you get to come off. That was a lot easier than I thought it'd be. That was actually really, really, really easy. We are back once again. My dear friend. Well, I don't know where it is, but I don't care. Under the map. Definitely under the map. Oh. Oh my god. Alright, we'll use a grenade this time, I guess. You guys ever hated something so much? 'Cause I have. Where'd that go? Under the fucking map again. Fucker. Why don't you go above the map, bitch? Can't even see the knife anymore. I don't give a fuck. Bye-bye. I don't even know where that fucking knife went. It's gone. Oh god. Can't see. Oh, I moved the table up. That's where they were, under the table. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh. Okay. I broke the game, sort of. Okay. Well, if you guys enjoyed that episode of Disassembly 3D, let me know and show some love in the comments. Wait. Show some love by liking this video. Leave a... Oh my... This outro is all over the place. Leave a like, comment, slap that damn subscribe button, and turn them notifications on. I'm going to try and post more often. I know I've said that in the past, and I haven't fulfilled. But I've been doing a lot of shit lately with scootering and trying to get clips for you guys to make an edit. I don't know if you guys enjoyed my last edits. If you did, go check. If you didn't see those, go check those out, by the way. Go follow me on Instagram at ScooterBoyWonder. I don't have Twitter.
I do have Snapchat, but fuck Snapchat. Well, not like that, because I like Snapchat, but you get what I'm saying. If you like this episode, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Tomorrow I'll post the video doing the microscope and the antique car. I didn't film the side table because there was nothing to really film. Just took the drawers out, took a couple pieces off, and it was done. But, yeah, leave a like, comment, I said that too fucking much. I need to shut up. But, yeah, I'm out. See ya. See ya. I can't see you guys. I'm out of here. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm done saying that, and peace.